Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a green smoothie. But before I go into this video, remember to like, share and comment on my other videos. Follow me on all social. Thanks to all my subscribers, my new followers. Thank you so much. For those who are watching and not yet subscribed, please go ahead and click that button. And remember guys to turn on all notifications so that when I go upload a video or go live, you'll see it first hand. Okay, so remember to follow me on all social at @booth. Okay, so let's go right into this video. So today is a green smoothie day, so I have in this this plate, I have a carrot, some kale, one kale, leaf of kale, I have celery, I have some broccoli, I have ginger, 2 ripe banana, and I have a coconut water. So guys, this is what I have to use now for coconut water. So I think it's gonna be a very healthy smoothie. So let's dive right into the video. Alright, so I have my blender right here, so I'm gonna add the fruits to it. Starting with and I think I'm gonna add some honey to it, guys, for a little sweetness. Honey, yeah, I'm gonna add some honey to it for a little sweet now, because you know it's green juice and you want it to taste real good. All right, so yes, I'm gonna add this banana. Even though the banana will give it a little flavor, little sweetish taste, but yeah. Add kale. Celery. Broccoli. For the ginger, I'm gonna cut them small. For the carrot, cut it small. Yes. And this is a bit of ginger I'm adding. You can choose not to add any ginger, guys. So let's get this smoothie well out. Like I said before, I'm just gonna add some honey just to give it a little sweetness. Okay, and the coconut water that we're adding. This one has the pulp in it, so it should be good. So let's see, this is a green smoothie, guys. So I didn't have to use all of it. I don't believe so, but cover. You guys got it. Wow, and there you have it, guys, all done. Look at it, all done. It's a green smoothie. Yeah, all all done. So I'm gonna glass this for you and then have a taste. Look at it. Yeah, the ginger is smelling so strong. Wow. Take a sip, guys. Take a sip. Take a sip. This tastes real good, guys. It tastes nice for a green smoothie. Yes, it tastes real nice. Yeah, go ahead and try it, guys. So I have 2 ripe bananas, some broccoli, some kale, celery, ginger, and I use a bit of honey and coconut water for the liquid. So nice. So nice. Did I say carrot? Yeah, 1 carrot. So nice, guys. You can put it to chill and have it, or you can just have it same way or add some cube ice to it. Yes. So thank you so much. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Yes, guys, and I hope you try it because green juice is very good. The ingredients are very healthy. Go ahead and try it. You will like it. And for the flu season too, green juice is healthy and good. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.